Yeah, he'll do.
He's beautiful.
He's coming around. You tell me when I can shoot.
Whenever he stops, once he gets to that green, you can pop him. Just wait just a little bit.
No, I don't want that shot.
Okay, I didn't think you did. Don't go in the bushes. He will go in the bushes. Don't go in the bushes. He just went away.
That son of a gun.
If he turns, damn coming. Maybe he's gonna go in the bushes. He's gonna come back out. There he goes. Tell me when he's gonna shoot. We'll whistle at him, okay? Okay, he's still there. He's still good. Just take your time.
On the ground.
Dropped him.